What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're working with the TAMIYA 1/24 scale Honda S2000. This is leftovers, if you will, from the BMW commission build that I did. I'll put up a few pictures here. I don't have the actual model to show you because I sent it back. It was kind of a nightmare. I broke this. I broke the windshield right there where the mirror is supposed to attach, and so I tried to fix it. I did my best, and I couldn't. So I had to find another kit, since I'd already been paid a down payment, if you will, on the project. And so the only one I could find came bundled with this guy. So, okay, whatever, cool. And I've been kind of busy. I haven't posted a video lately because not only the commission build, but I've gotten into the 3D printer. That's what's in this box now, is all kinds of 3D printed goodies that I finally got the settings dialed in on my machine and found some decent files. And I've figured out, a good way to run test prints and keep track of stuff. Mostly what we see here is just wheels, but there's, bags of goodies with little MSD ignition boxes and, Optima batteries and just tons of stuff. The guns, we've got the guns, wheels and tires for days. And anybody that, if you watch the channel long enough, you know that that's one of the biggest things. That's where it starts for me. Always starts with an idea with, I wonder what these wheels would look like on whatever kit. Then these cool racing seats, these BMX bikes. Got one of these. It's haven't painted the tires yet and put the other stuff on it, but there you go. Those are neat. So I've been distracted. That's why I haven't been posting videos. And to stay on track here, to stay focused, we'll do an unboxing of this one. I've already been in it. I was curious. I had to see while I was building the other one, and it is pretty darn similar. Really similar body design style. Well, I mean, people would argue, but whatever. It's a little two-door convertible. So we'll read the instructions, which are very nice, as usual, as is always the case with TAMIYA. Their instructions are spot on. The body looks really nice. It doesn't have, that last one I worked on had, sometimes the TAMIYAs have like weird swirls in them. But it looks like it's probably going to build up just the same, exact same thing. You got an interior tub, some seats. Most of if any detail happens on the bottom, on the all the suspension, the exhaust pipe, and the brakes and shocks and springs and stuff. And then of course with the convertible, your detail happens in there. With the dashboard is pretty limited. There's an instrument cluster in the decal pack, so that's nice. Tires, nice, good, wide, low profile tire. And where are the wheels at? Oh, those are cool. Those are nice. And then that's where the bags of goodies come in, where I can take some fender flares. Hey, easy there. Whatever your name is, that guy. Yeah, modifications. So there you go. There you have it. not really an unboxing. I'm not going to open this stuff, take it out of the bag. It's just wanted to post something and a little brief explanation of why I've been away from the phone, if you will. But we're going to get into building that pretty soon. And we've got another unboxing coming too. This will be on the channel soon. Probably easy now. It's a partly drive by. So we'll get into this one real soon.